Technology.
And today we are going to introduce our TIJ inkjet printer.
It's
May
very
Joy and me, we will introduce the handheld TIJ inkjet printer. And my colleagues Carrie and Frankie will introduce
应该这个效果
TIJ.
要好一点啊。
It's really nice. 哎呀，这个嘴有点。
不是没开始，It's really nice
没有
to be
Here,
here.
yeah. And I think my new friend come to our live broadcast room for the first time. So I want to introduce the motion of this time for you firstly, okay?
Okay. In last month, we bring 2 types of top sales in inkjet printer. I mean the hard one.
挺好。
我说这个朋友圈里。
我没听你说啥呢？
这会儿还行。
你说 OK？
但我觉得这个挺好。
这个。
可以营销的。
等你说优惠券之前再说2句吧，说一下我180。
能这样一点。
但是我是先说的，我说有许多朋友第一次来，我想先介绍一下我们优惠券。
OK。
然后你怎么觉得？还是你说？
我怎么觉得？我说 OK。No
对，你
problem.
说 OK 就好了。
No problem. 在那印店看什么 ？Price? You want the price? Price please? Front. What's the price?
真的好像。你是从印度过来刚刚留学回来还是 ？Prepare very big promotion for you. That is $200 coupon.
Have you any Indian friend?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Price.
Everyone have the chance to get it.
到点
Include you.
Nothing to me.
As soon as
剩一排不？
我就刚开始就先说一下这个。
从少的往上说吧。
你最开始不要先介绍一下这个。
就是最大的那个。
那可以。随便嘛。
然后 and we also
Price.
Okay.
反正先跟你来。
Price high.
Shut up.
Price high. Too high, my friend. 几点了？开始了吗？
还有8分钟。
哦，8分钟。
你看那麦是不是都开了？
开了。
亮灯就开了。
开了。那个银店饭。
命题比了一下不？8个小时。
行。你俩大概50，我俩就下了呗。多给你俩点时间。
对，我俩打算讲40分钟。
我看他讲吧。
没有。
因为我讲完这个，我估计就得挺长时间。
你别超时了。
没事，随意讲。
到点了哈，我点了。
Hello everyone.
Welcome to our online trip show.
This is Alex.
This is Joy from Shenyang Technology.
And today we are going to introduce our TIJ printers. We are going to introduce handheld inkjet printer, and my colleagues Carrie and Frankie.
Yeah.
They are going to introduce another type for online use.
Yes, it's very nice to meet you here. And I think my new friend come to our live broadcast room for the first time. So I want to introduce our promotion of this time for you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Today we prepare very big promotion for you. That is $200 coupon. Wow.
Yes.
Amazing, yeah. And everyone have the chance to get it as soon as you send the inquiry or click the catalog.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as long as the total amount of the order more than 2,000, you can get 200 discount from
Yes.
this.
And we also have many coupons, and we will introduce them.
Yes, there has some
later.
different level,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
400 and 800 and
Yeah.
1,500.
Yes.
So it's depending the order, the total amount of the order, you can get different promotion, different coupons from And today we bring two types of handheld inkjet printer. They are the top sales of last month. They are KD380 and KD130H. But before we introduce our printers, we are going to introduce our company at first. So
Okay.
Joy, can you do it?
Okay, let
Okay,
me
thanks.
briefly introduce our company firstly. Okay, friends, as we see, this is the outlook of our building. And Shenyang Face Technology is a high-tech enterprise. Our products include CNC printers, TID printers, and laser marking machines. And our slogan is each printing, each perfectness. On this page, this is the history of our company. 2010 year, Face was established and the founder and the technology team. And like 2012 years, our company had launched the first CNC printer. And 2016 years, we obtained CE certificate, ISO quality management, and ROSI certificate. And until this year, 2020 years, we have sold to 126 countries, serving more than 200,000 users. By the way, I want to say this is a 10 years anniversary of our company, focused on coding. Okay, I think many friends will ask me why should we choose you. So let me tell you. Turn is focused on coding machine. 126 countries exported. 200,000 global users. 3 years after sales service. 20 quality certificate. 200-person team and 20 doctorate engineers. On next page. Yes, we have shown to 126 countries like America, Argentina, Chile, India, Indonesia, Australia, Korea, and so many countries. And this is the growth curve of our company of this year. Okay, on this page, that is, we have over 200,000 users worldwide, and there are our partners. Okay, as I said, we have many certificates like CE, ROS, ISO, and so on. And those certificates not only can help you clear the clearness and also guarantee the quality. Okay, about the after-sales service, we insist on 1-2 principle. 1 is 1 minute response. 2 is 2 hours to resolve. And another 2 is 2-year warranty. Okay, on this page is the feedback of our customers. And we can see Amy, yes. She is my first customer. And she said the printer I like this. And the Joy service really good. Right, I'm the Joy. I bought machine from Face many times. Thank you, Amy. Are you there? Okay, that's all. It's printing, it's perfectness.
Okay, Joy, thanks for your introduction.
You're welcome.
Nice performance.
Thank you.
And at last, we are going to introduce our product. But before I do it, I want to let our customers to have a look of the. This is the KD 380 and this is KD 130. The most different things is not only the appearance.
Yeah.
The most things is the software and the hardware, they are different.
Yeah.
Okay, I prepared the files to introduce the different details.
Okay.
So let me do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Please add.
Okay, KB380 handheld inkjet printer. The features of it is it supports multiple languages like English, Arabic, French, Spanish, something like that. And it has a 5-inch capacitive screen. Also, it supports online use. It can not only use by hand. If you prepare a graphic and a sensor, you can use it online. And this is the appearance of KB 380, like this. Okay. And it is developed based on SP45 terminal forming spray technology, with a simple appearance and special design. It is very light, only 1.1 kilometers, so even a lady can hold it and operate. And this is the size of this machine. We can see the total height is 250 millimeters, with a 5-inch touch screen. This is what I said. It can install on the for online core wheel. This is the bracket. The sensor is here. So when the core wheel is running, the product pass here. It will print like an online printer. This is some parameters of this machine. We can check from here. The printing accuracy is 300 to 600 dpi. The speed is 70 meters per minute. The print height, we have two types. Oh, sorry. For this KB380, now we have three types. They are 12.7 millimeter and 25.4 millimeter. And now we have a new model, is 50.8 millimeter. That's meaning 2-inch. This machine, the software is based on Linux system. It is easy to operation. The language, I said it supports 14 languages. Now we add the Korean language. About the interface, now we can check from the behind. It has a USB, and this is for sensor, the photoelectric sensor. And the printing content, it can print numbers, date, time, QR code, barcode, and the logos. Almost everything it can print is just within the printing height. The application is suitable for a board, carton, stone, metal, pipe, cable, something else. The printing lines, some customers used to ask us, what about, now we know the printing height, what about the printing lines? Now I'm going to tell you, as long as you can edit, there is no limit for length. And the distance, printing distance, it is meaning printing height to the object. The perfect distance is 2 millimeters. And about the serial number, it also supports 1 to 9. The ink types, we have quick dry, like solvent base and word base. The voltage is here, we can check it from here. And storage, it can store more than 1,000 messages just in the machine. The working condition, it can work in temperature 0 to 45 degree. And the humidity 10% to 80%. Okay, next page. As I said, it's suitable for various materials like carton. This is folding cartons, and this is PET caps. This is PET films. The metal, the paper, something else. And we can check from here. It can also use for food. We have special food grades in cartridge for something food industrial. The colors it support green, red, blue, yellow, black, white, and invisible. Total it supports 7 colors. And this is a very important thing for the cartridge. We call it avoiding nozzle clogging, and we call it alternate printing. We can check from the printing height. This is printing height of cartridge. There are 2 lines combined with a lot of small holes. The diameter of each hole is 7 mm. This design it is using for alternate printing. It is meaning we can select from machine to use left or right line to print. Also we can do it left right, so we call it alternate printing. This design is sometimes avoiding nozzle clogging to extend the service life of cartridge. And now we have different size, the printing height of KD380. This one is 12.7, this one is 25.4. Actually, now we have a new types in last month, that's 50.8. The feature, another feature is the multiple language. As I said, it has 14 languages, not only English and Chinese. And we also support OEM customization. This is some feature as a feedback from our customers. We can check, we share the different logo to them. That's my features and of KD380. Now I'm going to introduce another one, KD100. This is the appearance of KD100. We can check from here. It looks like same with the KD380, but there is something different. Here, it has no stand base and interface. It has some more interface like RS232. And this is the size of KD100, and the cartridges are same with KD380. This is outside the hardware. They are different. For KD130 and KD100, we adopt American CPU. Will not cause any stuck during operation. And this is one machine, dual possible. KD100 and KD130 also support hand printing and online printing. This is interface. We can check from here. They are complete same. Now we add the RS232 interface, which can transfer information from PC, laptop, something will be easy to operation. It also has this avoiding nozzle clogging design. And this is about software. We can check from the This is the first page of KD100, and we can check from here. Now, like here, we can edit the capacity to here, and insert the cost of cartridge here. And then the most important thing is the machine will calculate and showing you the cost of each printing and how many pieces in total you can print. Look at here. This is very helpful to this is a design a feature to help you to calculate the cost to control it. This is other functions like warm and low temperature cartridge. The printing engine uses TIG dedicated ASIC chip, a perfect match for variable of original and licensed SP cartridge. Professional cartridge preheat. That's very important because sometimes the temperature is different for different customer. So our chip and with this machine, the software will preheat the cartridge to help to use it. And it has 6 levels of grayscale adjustment. For some products like a wood plate, if that's normal grayscale, it will print the lighter black. So you have to change it to deep black. And it also supports language customization, like some almost in our design we have almost 40 languages. And the fonts are input in them independently. User can download the font files in TTF, TTC, OTF, TFD, and other formats. It also supports wireless keyboard and mouse operation. We have a video to show you how to connect with a mouse. If you are interested, you can send the inquiry, then we can send you that video. Okay, that's I made a sheet of different of those printers. We introduced the KD360 and the KD100 before. Look at the first line. This is the printing height. All of them they support 12.7 and 25.4. Only KD380 it supports 50.8. So it's depending your needs. The language, KD380 and KD110, it supports multiple language. The system, now we can check from here. KD360, it bases on Android. It is faster, and another 3, they are based on Linux. The encryption, KD360 and KD380, they don't have encryption, but KD100 and KD110, they have. We support the OEM service, and now the important thing is here. The price is here. You can check it from 238 to 94, and 325, 514. Different level. Okay, now I'm finished the introduction of our printers.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
Okay.
Thank you for your presentation. And I think we have learned about those 2 printers.
Okay.
Yes, and we also can see on the screen that's the coupons of this time, these activities. We have different levels and promotion, and you can choose according to your needs. Okay, Alex, thank you. And I know the printer but I don't know how to operate it.
Okay. Now we are going to tell customers and you how to
Okay.
use it.
Thank you.
At first, this machine it is off now. The first thing is insert a cartridge.
Yeah.
This is a TIJ cartridge. It is a standard product. So you can purchase it from even local, anywhere you can find it.
What's the size of this ink cartridge?
This is 2.7.
Okay.
It's like this. So this is a used cartridge. Every
Yes.
time I want to tell the customers and you something about cartridge maintenance.
Okay, that's good.
Because I saw the print height is some ink there, so I'm afraid it is clogging.
Yes.
This is a solvent, and you can also use alcohol, like 70, it's no matter 75% or 93%. So every time you should do like this, not every time, sorry. I mean sometimes. Now spray some solvent on the service paper, and doing like this, like printing.
Like this?
Yes, just like this. Just slowly. Okay.
Why not like this? Why?
Oh, because this tissue paper, I'm afraid sometimes it has some dust to make the whole clothing.
Oh, okay. I know now.
Now now we can put it in the printers
Yes.
like this.
Yeah. Please notice how
And
the
holder.
printer is turned off.
And then we can switch on.
Press the button. Show yes, this is the logo of our face.
If you are interested, it can be your logo.
Yeah. And the size of this printer is half inch. So we need to use the ink cartridge of half inch.
Yes, and this is 1 inch,
Yeah.
cartridge.
Yeah.
Are
The
different
height
pieces.
is different.
Yes.
Okay, now please.
For this printer, it supported some. There's no more printing like bus number, bus code,
Yeah.
and QR code, barcode.
Show to the customer.
Please check it.
Yeah.
You know, I have this information is made for a customer.
Yeah.
His labor is very small, so he asked me. He said, "Alex, can you printer to do this printing?" That labor is just like this, so he want very small printing.
Yes.
But after I made a video to show him how to print a small list characters, and he is very happy about it.
Yeah. The printing height
You
is
can check it. It's very small. Can you show
Yes.
it?
very small.
Yes, I think his product is like some what can I say, like a tea bag, and he needs printing very small characters on it.
Okay. So is it adjustable of the printer height?
Sorry?
Adjustable?
Yes. And also I said it's all the different language like Arabic, country.
Yes, and this is bigger.
Uh-huh.
And this one is Arabic. Okay, very good. And it's clearly.
So most of the customers they like KD380 because of its easy to operation. Now we just edit any new information.
Yes. How to add in new information? Can you show to the customer?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Now we can edit from here. Insert text. Okay. You can just type it by fingers. Now I'm going to insert our company's name. Okay, you can check from here. Now, after edit, you should give it a name and save it. Like I just named it test. Now it's done. Then you can find it from the files. Oh, sorry. Okay.
A new field. Faith. NITH. Technology. Okay, save. And test. Yeah.
Now we can find from the files.
Oh, it can store so many
Now it's here.
information.
So just printing start, and
Yeah, start
it will
print.
print. It can print.
Okay. Okay.
And then it will work. And now we're going to enter a different software. This is a KD100 series. This is KD130.
Okay, Alex, please notice you didn't insert the ink cartridge. You forgot this?
Yes.
So now first,
Now this like this. You insert the cartridge like this,
yeah, when the printer is off.
and then. Now there is what you can check from this page. Now the most important thing is you can never do one thing to insert or take out when machine is running.
Yes.
And as we know, TIG printer the maintenance free, so no need maintenance, no need other spare part. Just take care with the cartridge and then it will work normally. The first page now we can check from here. This is unlock. It's about to some wrong operation. Just
Yes.
like this.
And then you can set the password.
The
on
password.
Yes.
Now this is the menu. The first item is the message. So we just make it, and now we can see the first function is printing message. This option is for sending signal to update the signal to the machine, to let machine know which one is you are going to printing now. For example, now I just insert this logo.
Yeah.
But if you print, it will show you nothing because you didn't press this one. So after insert or edit any information, you should press this to send signal to the machine. Now we can print it now.
Okay.
Let me show you.
But you forgot one.
We'll start.
Yes. And usually this is full. Before that, this is empty. Yeah, this is a logo.
So that's a logo for our customers.
Yes.
And as I said, this is the first page of our machine, and this is the function of calculate cost. Now can see that this logo, one cartridge, it can print 11,200 something pieces. The cost per each printing is 0.0049. And the next is a new message. You can give it a name to enter the name and the name, even the date. Give it a name for this information. So next time we want to find it out, you just find the file, find that name to find it out. And another one is for saving. So for example, today I made some printing of this logo. Now after I use it, so I don't want tomorrow I insert this logo again, so just save it and give it a name. Now let me delete it. This is for insert text. Now we can see from here. Now it is Arabic keyboard because of our customer request. We made a video to show them. You can see?
Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
Me too.
Okay.
But our customer know it. Okay. And
Okay, and then you confirm
And don't forget this.
printing message and then
Yes.
start printing.
Otherwise, you will print nothing. Yeah, I think very well. Arabic.
So if you want to move or delete any information, you can do this. Look at this.
Oh, where is?
It is here.
Okay, you found it.
And this is delete. If you want another same information, you can copy it. Now let's delete it. And you can insert a clock, like 8-minute time. What's the date today?
Oh, fifth?
The printer will tell you.
Yeah. December.
It can be the date of today, and it has different format, right? Like this.
Yeah.
It also can change to
Different
other
form.
format.
Yeah.
And it can be dated. It also can be the real time. Now, you see this one. This is Beijing time, right?
Beijing
And
time,
it is
yeah.
changing now.
Yeah.
Okay. For next function, it is insert 2D code,
Yeah.
QR code. We also call it a QR code. Okay.
And you can insert content.
You just know you can insert a 2D code with our machine and edit the content. Because of some rules, we can't show you.
Okay.
And this is a barcode. The same operation with QR code. Now we can see from here. It supports different format.
Yeah.
Look at here.
Yeah.
It is about 13 or 15.
Yes. EAN13.
And insert, you can insert a text, time, a number, a shift, something else.
Yeah.
Okay, it's here. It's so just insert any format,
Yeah.
content. I mean, here it will show you like this. And at next is insert a logo. The machine can store some logos
Yeah.
itself, and it can also transfer by
Your
UDisk.
disk.
Yes.
And I can insert logo with the USB.
Okay, you can do it.
Insert this to this part. And now we can select U disk field. And we can choose from the U disk. There are many logos. I like this. And we can insert another one. Yeah. And we
Can you press that logo?
Yes, I can.
No. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to say one thing.
What?
We can change the size.
Oh, yes. You are right. The height I can change to 300.
300.
Yeah. Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay. Click print message. Okay.
It's nice printing.
Yes, very nice. The same with the printer.
So the printing
Okay.
quality is good of the logos. It can be like this. It also can be some different logos.
And don't forget to take off the U disk from the printer. It's okay.
Okay. So at the next one, it can insert a shift. Some company they have a different shift to let customers to know which shift to make this product. We have this function. And it also supports the serial number. We can insert any serial number.
Yeah.
Like this one is from 120012. We can also edit it from different one, like 000.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you can change the length. Add one.
Yes,
number.
we can change it. So for serial number, we have to add it from the home page. Look at here. We click the menu,
Oh.
the home page.
Oh.
Okay, and the serial number. This is limited
Yeah.
1, limited 2.
Yeah.
The maximum is should be 10, 10 numbers.
Yeah. And file.
Okay.
So many. And from. Okay. Update. Okay. Now insert again.
Now you can see the message changing.
I got it.
You can set it start by 1 or 2 or 3 or any numbers. It is meaning from 01, it comes to 02 or 010.
Yeah.
Any, you can set it from this page.
Yes.
And the next one is database. Sometimes our customer use a database from themselves. It supports TXT format and XLT. And we can transfer the files from your disk to this machine, and next time you can find it from this printer. Now we can check. We had one. Look at this.
Yes.
Yeah. Now this is the first content. So after I print, it will change itself from this file.
Yes.
Yes.
You can try it.
Okay.
Different?
Yes.
Yes.
They are
1,
different.
2, 3, and 9.
So next one it should be full and different contents.
Yes.
This is the function of a database. So it can be the characters, and it also can be QR code and barcode. So it also supports GS1 code and weight price. You can add it from here. Just give it a content and it will show you.
Okay. I have a question. How many informations can be stored in GS1? Database. On database.
For database,
images.
one file, as long as the file less than 4 MB.
Oh, 4 MB.
It doesn't matter how many contents. Just just make sure the file is less than 4 MB.
Yeah. No limited.
No.
Okay.
That's the main function of this printer. Now we can see the software are really good, and it also give you the good quality printing.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Alex. I think I can use the printer by myself, and it's really very easy.
Yes.
Yes.
And now I want to tell you something. Is every time after you use this printer, you should take it out. I mean the cartridge, just like this. Before you take out, make sure the printer was off.
The cover
Yes.
and put up on. This one is on.
So you should store them like this, making sure the print height is up. And we can see the different. Different not only the printing height.
Yes. The
This
cover.
way, I won't tell customers the capacity are different. This is 42 milliliters and this one is 72 milliliters.
Yeah.
For example, for this 42 milliliters, it supports maximum 700,000
Yes.
characters. And
Different from between half inch and 1 inch.
yes,
Yeah.
that's a different thing.
Okay.
Okay.
I think it's the time to Carrie and Frankie.
Okay, we can
Yeah.
let customer know. Let's repeat again this promotion
Yes.
to customers.
Yes. We have prepared so many coupons for you. Include $30 coupon, $70 coupon, and this is 100.
Not 50.
Yes, coupons. And this is a very big promotion that is $200 coupons. And everyone has the chance to get it as soon as you send the inquiry or click the catalog.
Yes. Joy. Sometimes it's very interesting. happening.
Yes.
Because I had some customers, they said, I don't want the coupons. He just paying.
Wow.
He doesn't want the coupons. So we asked with our general manager, and we said this. And she told us if customers doesn't want the coupons, we can give them the same value cartridge
Yeah.
like this sheet to show you.
Yeah.
If you don't want the cash, you can get the cartridge from us. So
Yeah.
from one black cartridge to 5 black cartridges.
Yeah. From 1 to. Sorry, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. From 1 to 5. From 1 to 5 in cartridge.
Yes. So it is meaning you can choose the cash, the real discount, or the cartridge. This depends on you.
Yeah, that's a very good idea.
It's not a very good idea. We just want our customers can
Yeah.
get the benefit in this month, in this promotion.
Yes.
That's what we want to do. And at night, our colleague Carrie
Yeah.
and Frankie,
And Frankie.
yeah, they are going to introduce our.
Online?
Yes, that is mostly top style.
Yeah.
Right, the KD210, and with a new
New.
appearance
Yes.
and new design.
Yes, and this time they will take a new black shell.
Okay.
Yes. Welcome. Okay. Don't forget this promotion and the $200 coupon. Now welcome Carrie and Frankie. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Alex and George.
Thank you.
Thank
you for your introduction of our products.
Yeah, it's our turn.
Yes.
We are going to introduce our KD210 online inkjet printer to customers.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like to repeat our promotion today?
Yes. Yes. Today we have prepared a big promotion for our customers.
Yes.
Yes. Let's show the biggest one. Maximum customer can get 200 coupons.
Yeah, how to get a $200 coupon?
If you place an order, total amount over $2,000, you can get $200 coupon.
Yeah, but if you place an order, it can't reach $2,000. Don't worry, you can get other coupons
Yes.
the price reach to $399, you can get a $30 coupon. And when your orders cost reach to $799, you can get a $7 coupon. And when your orders price reach to $1,499, you can get a $150 coupon.
Yes.
Yeah. Our KD210 price is about $600. Yeah, so customers buy 3 size KD210 maybe reach 2,000.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next, it's your turn.
Yes.
Yeah.
First,
I'd like to introduce my
yes.
colleague Carrie to introduce our KD210.
Okay.
Yeah.
Firstly, I will introduce KD210 high-speed TIJ printer. This is a hot-selling model in our store, and you can see the shell with black color. It is new updated color and for customer selection. Firstly, the slogan for this printer is flexible design and convenient printing. The printer can print dynamic database and it supports traceability system, GS1 QR code, barcode, and to meet customers' various applications. Also, it can be widely used in packaging, industrial pipes, cable, and other professional production line, and it is committed to solving customers' printing problems in all the fields. The product view, the shell is only a small size and compact. The net weight is only 2 kilograms, and it can be flexible installed on the various production line like conveyor belts, paging machine, and this outlook is print height. For this printer, we adopt American, imported from American PIAM CPU, and when you use a printer, it won't cause any stock during operation. For this machine, we have a flexible combination of nozzles models. To one machine, it can connect maximum 4 printing heights, so it can enable the machine to realize a single nozzle printing or 2 nozzle maximum 6 print heights production lines. There are 3 data interfaces. You can see the picture. The interface include USB RS232 and RJ45, and users can store pictures. The picture is BMP format and text, database, and Excel in the UDIX to connect with the machine directly. There are 2 printing triggers method. This one is a sensor, the photoelectrical sensor. It is suitable to print a single product on the stable production line. And this is encoder. If your production line is not stable, so the encoder can enable the production line and print a good quality result. This is our printing nozzle. We researched the alternate printing model in the industry. So the left, you can see the left and the right rows of the ink cartridge nozzles. They can work alternately, so you can choose left and right automation. So it can avoid the problem of nozzle clogging. These 3 colors, they are the operation alarm. Red when red light on, it shows the printer abnormal, so it will check the problem and solve it as soon as possible. The yellow light is on, it means abnormal operation. When the green light on, it means there isn't any problem. And the printer, you can see the terminal centralized control. The printer can connect with multiple devices like PC, laptop, pad, mobile phone. So it can realize multiple printers working in time sequence and makes the production line intelligent. This picture show different print result. This one is perfect and this not good. For this printer, we embedded with a powerful inkjet consumption algorithm. Please check the red color, and it shows how many pieces information the cartridge can print, and message dots, and the cartridge capacity, and the printing cost. This printer is a 7-inch industrial touch screen. It can be used to improve the accuracy of operation identification, so the operator can operate it with gloves or even white hands to cope with various industrial environment. This model supports GS1 standard. It can satisfy the user's traceability requirement and recognize code on their products. This is the main features for this printer. It can maximum printing speed can reach 406 meters 1 minute. It is about 150% compared with our similar products. Okay, thanks for watching.
Okay, thank you, Carrie.
Okay.
And next time, I'd like to
Show video.
yeah,
Okay.
show video.
Black looking.
As you said, we launched a new black looking of our KD210. So okay. So it's the new black looking and no function differences compared to silver looking, right? Okay. Next, I'd like to introduce our audience. Okay. The top 10. Wow. I don't even know you are so smart.
Carrie is very good.
The top 10 industrial application. I researched the top 10 industrial of our customers from. The top one is food, and the second is beverage, and others like cosmetics, medicine, PVC pipes, construction, phone cases, aluminum alloy, PCB and chips. And different industry customers has the different request of our printers. They want to print different informations on their products like food and beverage. Customers want to print expiry dates or batch numbers on their packaging, and cosmetics. Customers want to print barcode, QR code, or company's name on their cosmetics, and also others like medicine, PVC pipes, and so on. And next, I'd like to introduce our KG to 10 series. Not only can carry 1 or 2 print heights, it supports 1 to 6 print heights, and the print height is from 12.7 millimeters to 66.2 millimeters, and they are all applied for online applications. And also we support OEM service to our customers. You can customize your own logos in the printers, and when you turn on the printers, you can see your logos on the screen. And all KG to 10 series supports over 40 languages and has 3 kinds of interface like USB, RS-232, RJ45, and ink cartridge colors has black, white, red, blue, yellow, green, and invisible cartridges colors. And all the KG to 10 series printers use cartridges with RFID chips. We do this we want to ensure a good print results and good after-sales service for our customers. Yeah, okay. Okay. Next, let's operate our KG to 10.
Yes. Frank will show how to operate the machine. First, we will insert in cartridge.
First, I will put the cartridge in the print pad. And turn on the printer. As you can see, the system language is Chinese, but I don't think our audience know Chinese very well, so don't worry. Our printers support multi-language. We can change language from system parameters. Despite Chinese and English, we also our KT210 printer also support like Arabic and French, German. German and Italian, Japanese, Korean, Russia, Spanish, Turkish, and so on. And also we can cite the system language and input language separately. Like we cite system language is English and input language is Arabic. And we can insert text. As you can see, the input language has changed into Arabic, just like Alex and Joy just showed to our audience. Let's have a try. I don't know what it is mean. That is a good print result. Also, we can set it to Korean. Yeah. It's Korean and Arabic.
Yes, good result.
And we also have other languages. For saving time, we will print samples of other language next time. And there are many different machine parameters we can cite, like date format. We can set date format like years, month, and date, and also change the terms of them, and also time format, as you can see. And also, you can see there's cartridge1 parameters and cartridge2 parameters. Today we don't connect another print head, but our KT210 series support multi-print head. Yeah. After Arabic and Korean, let's try English. Our company name. This is our company name. You can see that the print result is very good. It's very clear. And next function is print clock or date. Today is 5th December 2020, and the time is you can change time or date from here, clock content. And now it's 14 past 11 a.m. And also we can use different function together, like you can insert expiry date in front of the date, and also so if you are running a food or beverage factory, you may need this function. Yeah, expiry date and time. Also, we support insert field and support insert QR code. As we know that one of the most important function of QR code is that it can carry informations. Our QR code not only can print it, you can edit different information in it, and after print it, you can use your phone to scan the QR code to get the information in it. Also, our printer can insert barcode, and there are many different types of barcode, like code 11, code 39, AS code 39, and EAN 13. And we can choose different types of information we want to insert in it. like price and weight and other information.怎么交不了内容呢？怎么交不了内容呢？
换一个吧。
As you can see, this is barcode print result. And except QR code and barcode, we also can insert logos. This is a UDisc. And our KD210 printers can print files from UDisc.
If you want to print logo or picture, you can insert this information through your disk, and the format is BMP.
This picture is a little big. Just try it. I don't know. What about the result? It seems good. And TrueCode is one of my India customer.
TrueCode.
This is a New Zealand national certificate symbol. It calls silver pearl. In New Zealand, if your products can get this sample, it means your product's quality is really good. And not only company logos, we can also print very complicated pictures. This picture is a little small. And the last one, I like to try our company logo for our audience. This is our company logo, Faith. Okay, after print samples for our audience, there are also other functions I'd like to introduce to our audience.
Yes.
Like you can set the cartridge 1 or cartridge 2's reverse or inverse control at here. And as you can see now, the cartridge 1 reverse control is on. If we turn off it, the information, the print result we get may be reversed at left and right. So let's try a sample like expiry date and 5th December 2020. As you can see now, the information on the screen is normal. But I just turn off the cartridge 1 reverse control. So you can see the print result is reversed at right and left. Also, we can change the direction of the
Please.
print result.
Start printing.
Upside down. As you can see. So what this function's application? If you count, I think if our customers can't install the print height at a very good position or direction he wants, he only can print his products in a limited position. So they may need this function. And we also support standard printing and continuous printing, counting printing, grouping printing, and counting grouping printing. There are many different print modes we support. And we can set cartridge parameters in print parameters. Like Carrie just introduced to our audience, there are 2 rows of nozzles on the cartridges. So we can choose to print with the right nozzles or the left rows of nozzles, or we can choose to print alternating. This time we print by right nozzles, and next time we print by left rows nozzles. This is a very important function, because if we use 1 row nozzles all the time, the other rows of nozzles may be clogging. So sometimes our customers can't get a very perfect, excellent print result. Please get in here and change the column selection, and maybe you will get a good performation. Yeah. And also there is a preheat setting. Or what means of preheat setting? Our printers, our customers are from all over the world. Some customers are in the countries like Norway or Denmark. The climate in this country is often very cold. So a very low temperature environment is not very good for cartridges performance. So we need to preheat before we start to printing. We need to preheat the cartridges. Our printers also support this function. We can choose the temperature of preheat, like 40, 45, and the highest temperature is reached to 80 degree. And also the delay stage. It is not very useful when you use just 1 print head. But if you use 2 print head, no matter you use two print head combination or separately, the delay setting is very important, because we just use only 1 sensor to control 2 print head. So even if you use 2 print heads separately, you may need to adjust the delay parameters to make sure every time when your products pass the print head, our KD210 will print on your products. Yeah. At last, our KD210 printer also have many more other functions, but I'd like to introduce our printer very well next time. and this time it's over. And don't forget, take out the cartridges after you turn off the printer. Okay? Okay.
Okay, don't forget our big promotion this time, and if you are interested, please click below catalog or send us inquiry, and you have the chance to get this promotion
Yes.
coupon.
Yes.
Okay, biggest is two,
$200
$200.
coupon.
Yes.
Yeah. Like I said before, only 3 size KT210. Only 3 size KT210 prices maybe reach $2,000.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you just want a handheld inkjet printer, you can get this $30
Yes.
coupon.
Yeah.
So it can equal to 100% discount.
Yeah. And alright. It's over. Yes. We have next time online trade show on 7th December.
Yes, next Monday. Next Monday.
Yeah, next Monday.
10
Be-
o'clock.
Beijing time, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
And I and Carrie are waiting for our audience next time.
Yes.
And next time, you don't have to sing Joy and Alex. Oh, good. And next time, next time is me and Carrie and Kevin and Simba. Kevin and Simba is gonna to introduce our laser marking machines to our audience.
Yes, except TIJ and the CIJ printer, we also have the laser marking machine and the related products, including conveyor belt, paging machine.
Yeah.
Yes.
And next time, I and Carrie will continue to introduce our black looking KT210. So if you got anything want to know, please leave a message to us. And next time we will make a very detailed introduce to our audience.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.